Hello viewers, my name is Kamran Ismail. Today I'm unboxing TP-Link router, that is Acer C7. It's also called AC1750. Let's start. Okay guys, this is TP-Link AC1750. Now we are unboxing it. Let's pull out the things. Oh, that's packing. That's the manual book. I don't know the language. I think that's in Arabic. Okay, that's the actual machine what we are looking for. Okay, we will open it later. That's the adapter. Okay, that's the 12 volt and 2 ampere adapter. Yeah, build quality is okay. That's okay. That's another book. Okay, that's attached with the Wi-Fi info card, TP-Link Wi-Fi info card. Okay, that's quick installation guide. That's the, I think, Cat 6 cable. Yeah, Cat 6, the Cat 5e cable for the internet connection. Oh yeah, this has 3 antennas. Let's now unpack the machine. This machine is actually bought by my friend, the director of the Groundstar Private Limited, and he asked me to review it. Now, wow, that's very nice. Finishing is very good, shiny, you can see it. There's a thin paper on the machine. Yeah, that's the back side. 4 Ethernet ports, these are gigabyte. Internet port is also gigabyte. 2 USB options, USB Lite. I think each USB has the single light assigned to each other. Okay, that's the reset button, the power button, and that's these antennas will be connected with. That's all useful what you get with the AC1750 TP-Link router. Please comment below, like and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.